friends, Amanda here, and I'm so excited to be making my citrus olive oil cake for you today. Let me run through our ingredients. We're going to need flour, sugar, yogurt, olive oil, vanilla extract, almond extract, baking soda, baking powder, salt, some eggs, and I'm using blood oranges for my citrus. And for our syrup, we're going to use some additional sugar, water, and olive oil, and terminato sugar to grease our pan. Let's get started. So we're going to prepare our pan by brushing it with some olive oil. Next, we're going to take our raw cane sugar or turbinado sugar and sprinkle it into the oil. So next, we're going to make our syrup. Go ahead and set your pan aside. Now we're going to zest one of our oranges. And I like to use my microplane for this because it zests it very nice and fine. So now that our orange slices are simmering, we're going to make our cake batter. Now we're going to add our olive oil. Our almond extract, as well as the orange zest. Next, we're going to add our yogurt. So now we're going to sift our dry ingredients together, and this helps ensure that our flour has no lumps because we don't want to overmix our batter because then you'll get a tough cake. And it also helps ensure that all the dry ingredients are evenly incorporated. So you really want your orange slices to soften, and this will also take away from some of the bitterness. You'll still get some of the bitterness in the rind, but this will definitely cut through that. So our oranges is softened, and I'm just going to remove them and place them on a plate while the syrup continues to simmer down. So now I'm going to arrange the oranges in the bottom of the pan, and we want to be sure that they overlap so that the batter doesn't seep through too much, and that we have a continuous crust of the oranges that will be caramelized and candied on the bottom of our cake. So now that our oranges are arranged, we're just gonna pour the batter over and bake. Now our cake is done, we're going to take it out of the oven and allow it to cool. Now that our cake is completely cooled, we're going to flip it onto our serving platter and garnish the top. That's really good. And here's our citrus olive oil cake, the perfect cake to make this winter to share with your family and friends. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And for the full recipe, head to amandasplate.com. Thanks so much for watching.